Our story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, cruise control, halogen headlamps, steering wheel controls, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2014 Lancer. Lancer's advanced transmissions, MIVEC engines, and racing-inspired magnesium paddle shifters make every twist and turn an opportunity for fun. Combine that with 7 standard airbags and you'll see that safety and exhilaration come standard and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.